I left my Dirt Devil Vibe. The Devil Vibe comes with the cup. Push the button down and lift up. Take the filter out. And all the dust and debris just shakes right out into a bag or your trash can. Pet hair, whatever it is you've collected, comes right out. I have a cat and a dog, so I have plenty of pet hair. And plenty of cat litter. We're going to be picking up some cat litter, pet hair, probably little papers, because my dog Nick loves to get into Kleenexes and toilet paper and such and aggravate me really bad with it, but he does that. So you just put that filter right back in. Realign your cup on your vacuum cleaner. And then you put this section on for the cleanup in the cage is what I would use. If I was cleaning my car, I would use the handheld version. We're cleaning cat litter out of the cat cage. Litter everywhere. It can. With this little thing, cleans it right up. But that's the handheld version. Now, it also has a feature that you can use as a vacuum cleaner. In the very top, there's a hose, and you merely stick the piece in till it snaps in place. With this feature, you can get down in the crevices, just like the vacuum cleaner. You can clean up small spills with it. You don't want the other part on. Now, the other attachment the knot here up on the floor part. You're going to push all the way down. It activates the rotary and it picks up as a vacuum cleaner. Wherever you might have a little dirt, hair, it does pick up hair, but if it's embedded down in the carpet any, you may need a larger vacuum cleaner. Now, anyone who has a cat or a kid near a beach know that sand and litter is gritty under the feet. It works just well, really well, on picking up whatever is on your hardwood floors, linoleum or whatever. It goes well under the bed. I mean, it is excellent for your quick cleanup. And all that grit is gone. The dust mop helps, but it don't always get it all. And so the versatility of it is just really helpful. And what I really love is I do not have to buy vacuum cleaner bags for this. It has a cup, I empty it out. Now, if my filter ever gives away, I do hope that Dirt Devil has a way to replace the filter cup. But other than that, there's nothing to ever purchase.
Guys, I bought this today and I received it today. And I want to check on the moquette or something like this. So how this works is quite empty, there is nothing in there. Let's see it only clean the surface or more.
literally sparking trying to set on fire. Turn it on.
So I just want y'all to know that this keeps happening to me, and I just got this a month ago. But every time I'm vacuuming and then I start to like put it away or do anything with it, pick it up, this thing falls off. I already cleaned this up, but it left all the dirt and all the crap all over the floor, and I had to clean it up. So that's kind of annoying because you would expect it to actually hold together.
So this is easy to assemble, real easy, 3 modes, great suction.
Elegant, unbelievably powerful, unmistakably Mazda. The first ever Mazda CX-90.